44% of Gen Z workers admit they are actively sabotaging AI at their own companies. And the executives watching them, they're making a list. This video is for everyone on that list. I'm talking about workers who are purposely feeding bad data into AI models, intentionally using low-quality outputs to make the tech look bad. They're even leaking proprietary data to trigger security lockdowns. If you think this is just office drama, you are missing the point. This is a war of identities, and the employee mindset is losing. Now, here's what the study found. 30% of those saboteurs are doing it out of fear of becoming obsolete. They're job hugging. They're holding onto their positions for dear life, trying to prove that humans are still essential by making the AI fail. But here's the brutal irony. While you're sabotaging the tool, the CEO in the corner office, he's watching. According to a 2026 global study called AI Adoption in the Enterprise, 77% of executives say that they will pass over anyone for promotion who refuses to use AI. If you're one of those people, I get it. You're afraid. You've been told for years that if you go to school, if you get a good job, you'll be safe. Now you're being told to train your own replacement. That feels a lot like a betrayal, because it is. Earlier this year, Oracle notified thousands of employees that their jobs were being eliminated via email at 6 a.m. That's not a layoff notice. That's a message. And the message is that your employer does not see you as irreplaceable. The question is, do you? A CEO doesn't sabotage a tool because it's powerful. A CEO asks, how do I lead this tool? The reason Gen Z is sabotaging these rollouts isn't that they hate technology, it's that they don't trust their bosses, and honestly, they're right. Most corporate AI rollouts are poorly planned. But here's the difference. As a CEO of your own career, you don't wait for a manager to give you a strategy. You build your own. Instead of feeding the AI bad data to make it fail, what if you use those same tools to handle 80% of the work that you hate? Instead of being a line item at a big firm, what if you became an AI-powered consultant who could do the work of an entire department? What if you built something that they couldn't lay off? Now listen, I know you're scared. I was too. But fear's not a strategy. The sabotage trap is a one-way ticket to unemployment. You cannot stop the 150% jump in AI traffic we're seeing globally. You can only choose which side of the screen you're on. Stop sabotaging the future and start owning it. I want to help you make that shift. If you're ready to leave the employee mindset behind and finally build something that won't lay you off, click the link below. I'll show you exactly how to start that shift in just 5 days for free. I'll see you on day one.